Since 1875, Normandin Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram has been San Jose's premier automotive dealership. And here's another great example of a Chrysler Jeep Dodge certified vehicle from our huge inventory of cars and trucks, and is equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, third row seating, rain sensitive windshield wipers, park view rear backup camera, heated front seats, touring suspension, steering wheel controls, rear spoiler, Sirius XM satellite radio, keyless entry, and has less than 75,000 miles on the odometer. Every Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Ram certified pre-owned vehicle undergoes a rigorous 125-point inspection and a thorough reconditioning process using authentic Mopar parts. Plus includes an impressive 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care limited warranty and the remainder of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain factory-backed limited warranty. We have a great selection of certified pre-owned vehicles, so come take a test drive today. We're looking forward to meeting you, and so is your next vehicle.